Hi, this is Anna.
I'm Jessia. Good afternoon.
Yes, thanks for coming to our live stream show. And if you keep following us, you will know that these days we have introduced you a fully production for the heating elements, and we also introduce you some machines to making heating elements. Yes, and last show we have shown you that about the spring kit machine, and this time we will show you about the annealing machine. And please keep following us, and the next show will be a pipe welding machine.
Yes, exactly. In this live stream, we will include three models. And the 1 and 2 is for the partial annealing, and the last one is a total new model. It's called frequent annealing.
High frequency.
Yes, high frequent annealing machine. So the annealing is common use, especially for stainless steel, right? And if you don't anneal, it's very hard to bend, and sometimes your copper or your ink alloy, they will need to anneal. So it's very common and universal in your production. So here, let me give you a very simple idea that how this annealing machine works. So actually, the voltage is very low. Yes, only 380 voltage. And then when you power on, the big electric current will generate. And so the pipe surface, it will create a short circuit. So, and then the heat will generate for the tube elements. So, and this is how it works. So next, let's have come to the detailed models. The first one, let's see about the semi-auto partial annealing machine.
Yes, you can see the photos. This is our machine products, and our features is can reach far annealing temperature, and the heating tube of magnesium oxide and heating wire is less heaty, so we can protect our heating elements well. And for this machine, it is mainly composed of transformer, pneumatic clamping contact, and elastic clamping contact, and water cooling system. And the next is pneumatic pressure system and electrical control system. And also, this machine have compact structure, safety, convenience, operation, and high working efficiency. It is an ideal equipment for local annealing production of tubular elements. Yes, I will introduce you most of our technical parameter of this machine. Our input voltage is 380 voltage and 50 Hertz. And our input power is transformer is 35 kW, and water pump motor is 90 kW. And our working air supply is from 0.4 to 0.6 ampere. And our clamping cylinder is diameter 32 multiply 40, and reset cylinder is diameter 16 multiply 50. And our pipe diameter is from 10 to 16 millimeter. Also, you will be very curious about our annealing length setting range. We can reach 100 to 1000 millimeter. Yes. Now let's have a detailed look of our video of this kind of machine. Yes, you can see on the video the pipe is heated, and the partial heated to turn red, and the clamp will clamp it into the cooling system, and we will do the quenching. Yes, so the heating pipe can be softer, then you can easily handheld by by hand. You can bend it by hand. Yes. So the pipe will be softer and will be normally used in your heating elements.
Yes, so actually this machine just acts several simple actions.
Yes.
And just now we show you the semi-auto. Now we are going to give you the full auto, yes, annealing machine.
Yes.
So in this picture you can see it's just the machine body. And so what is the difference or where we have upgrade? So the first one is full automatic. So when you're loading the material and unload the material is fully automatic. So it can save your manpower and cost. And your daily production capacity can increase. The next one is, actually this one has add another infrared temperature detector. So yes, some people they want to see, oh, what is the annealing temperature? So we have added another function, is the temperature detector. And the third one is, you can see we have dashboard there, and so you can set the light annealing length and the time. Yes, I want to maybe 10 seconds or 15 seconds, so this can be adjusted. And here we show you the machine body also with a zero, so to collect the heater after annealed. So let me give you more information about the specification. Yes, so the length, the minimum it can do is 150, the maximum is 1 meter, the diameter is, the minimum is 6 mm, the maximum is 16 mm. So the anneal time, the maximum we can do is 100 seconds. And the temperature, the maximum annealing temperature is 1200. So let me share you the video how this machine works. It's actually, this video is from one of our client. We do this machine for them. So you can see the heater is loading one by one automatically. Then the heat will generate. And this is the copper heater. This one is more clear. So when the annealing is done, it will pour it out from the water. I will call it cooling system. So put it into the silo to collect. So you can see this is the I can say it's very detailed and clear information about these machines. Yes, and there's another question they will frequent ask is, oh, can I adjust the time or power and the annealing length? Yes, this machine you can reset. So the time, as I told you, there has the dashboard. You can reset the time, and the length, the maximum we can do is 1 meter. So if you want to anneal less than 1 meter, it's okay. You can reset the clamp, and you can adjust the length. The time, of course, you can reset too. So this is the, there's another information. Yes, I think the last information I'd like to share is about this machine. As Anna said, the design is compact, and
yes,
it's just less than 1 ton. The machine, I think the length is 1.5 meter, and the width is 1 meter, and height is 1.5 meter. So I believe your factory have enough space for it. Yeah.
yes.
So for the, you may wonder, how to get a price, right? But it depends on what heater you want to nail, copper or stainless steel or any others, or length. Tell us the length. If you have drawing to sew this, it's best, right? And when we finish this machine, before deliver to you, before we outgoing, we will expect you send us samples. So we want to run the machine with your sample before going out. We have to make sure it's very well and it's run very smooth.
Yes,
Yes.
just customized for you.
Yes. And
So the next part we will introduce our new and our latest hot cell annealing machine. Its name is high frequency annealing machine.
yes, as you can see, the size is smaller, right?
Yes.
Than the last two. And actually, this one is a total new model, and the working method actually is also total new. So actually, it has higher power, so higher frequency. Then when power on, create a magnetic field. So when you put the metal part, when you put your heater inside it, then the eddy current will generate. So the heat will come. So that's how it works. And about the advantage, right? Why you choose this? What benefit it can bring you? Anna, can you
Yes.
give us some
Yes.
idea?
The first one I want to say that you can see the space, the volume of it is very small, and its occupied space is very small too. So it can also, you can see the handle. You can also handheld it, and it is portable. Yes.
Yes.
So it can save space in your own factory, and also it will work well. And secondly, I want to emphasize is about our high efficiency. Yes, because we use the brand new methods to anneal, and it through non-contact methods, so it can increase production and workload. So the production capacity can be higher. And the second part I want to share is about energy saving point. It is very environmental without the lighting fire. Yes. And the third part, it is easy operation. It is used widely. Yes. And it is normally used in some stainless steel or copper pipe and so on. Yes. So you can also learn the operation. I believe you can also tell us your questions, or we can also teach you how to operate. I believe you can learn how to operate within 5 minutes.
Yes, it's very easy operation.
Yes. So for this part, we have introduced you all of our types of
Yes.
our annealing machine. Yes. If you have any interest in annealing, you can just tell us your heaters information, like diameter, material, and the length, and also all the information you want to anneal. Then we will suggest you which it is suitable for you, and also you can tell us your wanted type.
Yes. And about, let me give you one information about the package. You may wonder, oh, so far from China, right? If you buy, you won't see ship. So our machine, we will wrap very good by a foam. Then we might use some cardboard if necessary. Then we will have a wooden case to pallet.
Yes.
Yes, so you can use your car to lift it up very easily. So this is the package information.
And when transporting, it will not float and will fix tight, so you don't need to worry about the package problem. Yes. And about the service, I want to share is we will make a menu instruction with
Yes.
our machine, and we'll ship out together with to you. And also we have engineering group and standing by. If you have question on the menu, you can just tell us, and we will also, if necessary, we can show you operation video to teach you how to operate. Yes. And if you want, if possible, you can also send your engineering to come to our factory to train. Yes, that is also acceptable. Yes, and the next is if necessary, we can also send our engineer to your country, to your factory, to see if we can help you to install and operate.
Yes.
Yes, all this can be discussed. So just tell us, and all these problems will be solved out.
Yes, you don't have to worry.
Yes.
And this live stream is only about the partial annealing, and maybe some of you want to anneal the entire heater, and you need the higher output, and you may use the furnace. And about the annealing furnace, we will have another live stream to explain, to show you. So if you're interested, or if you are looking for annealing furnace, please keep follow us.
Yes, and also on the screen you can see we have our own website on this machine, and you can check more details on it. And please welcome to send your contact information to our assistants, and we will contact with you and send more, like the videos or the photos or some information you interest.
Yes.
Yes. Don't hesitate.
Don't forget to leave your business card.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you for watching.
Thank
Bye-bye.
you. Bye bye.